Hello everybody. If you're looking for Shopify store or Shopify website for your dropshipping business, I'll show you today. This is Erison Waris. He's a WordPress website developer. He already completed 831 order. He have 4.9 rating and 830 reviews on this gig. He is a Fiverr seller. He is top rated Fiverr seller. Already he have 3 orders in queue. He provide Shopify store setup and Shopify website. So you can she have so many clients review: custom golf, Lookmin cosmetics, Cane Care medical supply. So many projects he already completed. We can check his portfolio. This is a website, mobile phone case, and also he complete so many store for his client. This is all a client, and also this is here his client, and also this is his client. So many project he already completed. He have so many project, and already he have 831 reviews and rating 4.9. Erison Waris, he is a top rated seller on Fiverr. So we'll check his review. He expert on, he have 1100, he already completed 1123. He is a Shopify expert. He from Pakistan. Last delivery about 7 hours ago he provide last delivery. So we already check. You can check this portfolio. He have so many portfolio, 10 plus project. You can check his project page. He already showing so many store for his client. You can check, and I will discuss about his portfolio and project, how he take for basic. He have package, 3 package: basic package, standard package, and premium package. First we discuss his basic package. He have up to 3 products, and he Shopify free theme. He provide a store setup and 30 products at, and Shopify free theme and basic apps, 7 days free support. He complete basic package, he provide 7 days support and a store setup, 30 products, and Shopify free themes he add. And a standard basic package price 1150, and a standard package price 250, and 100 product he add, and premium theme, free logo, standard apps, and for 15 days free support. And he also provide 15 days free support. And premium package 400, up to 200 products he had, and premium theme, custom package, advanced apps, 3 days free support. He already 3 days free support. And also you want basic package for 2 days delivery time, you have to provide $40 extra. And also you can standard package 4 days and 7 days, you can within 2 days, and you can standard package take within 3 days. So he have already so many. He's a professional website developer, Shopify developer. You can take from he have already done so many order on Fiverr. So I will give you his ID link on my description. You can take service from his. So thank you so much for watching this video and support me. I will show you every day your valuable content. Thank you so much.